Hey guys, welcome to Sharma Adventures. Today we are exploring SeaWorld, Electric Ocean Nights. It is one of the most funnest times I could ever have throughout the year. They have neon lights, DJs, awesome music, and dance parties. So stay tuned till the end. But right now we're going to take you to the park where we are having a blast with our kids. Our kids love exploring the Sesame Street Bay at play. They get to run in these nets, climb the nets, run around on these bridges, play games. There's musical instruments to play. I mean, this is the place for kids just to let loose and have fun. There's arcades, cotton candy, and just so much more. So while our family's busy running around, I like to take this time and a few little moments to myself and just relax and really just take it all in. And as a SeaWorld pass holder and somebody who has been visiting since my youngest has been in a stroller, I just want to say as a warning, do not buy the pretzels at SeaWorld. They are horrendously hard, tough to chew, and they are just not good. So don't waste your money on the pretzels or even the cheese. And as the day is starting to come to an end, the neon lights will start to light up the sky and Electric Ocean begins. And this is by far the most magical part of SeaWorld that I absolutely love. And Electric Ocean really signifies the closing of summer and entering into the fall season where they're going to have their trick-or-treat and Halloween festivities, as well as going into Christmas and so many more little holiday events that I really cannot wait. That's why I love Electric Ocean.
Everyone say hi, Octavia. And we all know Maddie. Everyone say hi, Maddie. All right, y'all together. My sea friends and I are going to teach y'all a little something. All right, all right, all right.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, don't delay, gotta let go. A